There's so many elements that go into running a business. In my opinion, it was a great asset to buy a franchise because you had all that support behind you from day one.
We knew how to install kitchens, but what we didn't know how to do is run a company, manage a website, how to do the sales part of things.
I didn't want to reinvent the wheel. I wanted a system that I thought was proven, that would work.
I have started now several businesses, and starting the Kitchen Solvers franchise is by far and away the easiest, most pleasant experience I've had.
When it comes to accounting, I am a lost soul. Kitchen Solvers taught me what I needed to know on the financial side so that my business could be as successful as it's been.
I think the support and everything through Kitchen Solvers franchise has really allowed us to get where we're at. If we tried to do that on our own, it'd be very difficult.
The hard spot was, well, how do I sell? Where do my customers come from? Those are the types of questions that I had for Kitchen Solvers.
A lot of the things that go into making a successful business, like the marketing and the sales, those are not things we learned in law school. They're not things that a lot of business schools really even teach you. And that's what they were able to provide at Kitchen Solvers, and that made all the difference in the world to me.
We specialize in cabinet refacing, and that's kind of a very unique niche.
Refacing, I think, is going to be more popular than ever in the near future, largely because of quartz and granite countertops, which have come on in the last 8 to 10 years.
People are really making the decision to stay in their homes and age in place, and so it gives kitchen remodelers the opportunity to assist them in getting a kitchen that's going to work with their lifestyle.
I do kitchens from $7,000 to $50,000. Not a single person has financed their kitchen. They have all paid cash. And that tells me that they've got the money, the economy's there, they're confident in the economy, that they can make that commitment to the future, and they want to grow the value of their house.
Every year in the fall, we have a Kitchen Solvers convention, and everybody comes to La Crosse.
There's certain people that I want to speak with this particular weekend because I know they've tackled some of the problems I'm already running up against, and I think they'll have some good suggestions for me and some solutions.
The support is amazing. We get back from the convention and just feel so amped up. We're ready to go.
Meeting and talking with all of the other franchises that were already successful and gaining as much information from them as possible so that we could learn, one, from their mistakes and also the good stuff that they're doing.
It's an idea center. We share, we teach each other, and we help build each other's business.
I'm not experienced at this at all, being into it here 2.5, 3 years here, but I can pick this guy's brain over here and learn some great stuff in a hurry. That helped me a lot.
It's a time having a glass of wine, going out to dinner with people. That's when you really get the intelligence of the challenges other people have had when they were building their franchises, how they met those challenges, and how they made their successes.
It's the most amazing feeling when you finish a job and your customer comes to you and wants to give you a hug because you've changed their lives. They've never had a new kitchen in their entire life, and now it's like you've given them something beautiful, and if you make it a good experience for them, then they're going to love you forever, and they're going to constantly refer you. They're going to constantly want to do business with you.
My favorite part of the business is meeting people, and not only meeting them, but bringing them a kitchen that they love and are going to enjoy for years to come.